Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a monitor going black randomly on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type change screensaver. Click on open it. Under screensaver, click on this drop down and select none. After that, select apply to save changes and then select change power settings. You just need to select change plan settings next to the selected one. Turn off the display. You just need to click on this drop down and select say never and select change advanced power settings. You just need to expand the display over here. Expand the turn off display after. Click on this setting and type here never caps letter NEVER. After typing it, you just need to find PCI Express link state power management and click on this drop down and set this setting to off position and select apply and OK for save changes. Now select the save changes option over here and now just to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type a device manager. Click on open it. Expand the display adapter section, right click on the graphics card driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting the best drivers installed, just need to close tab here. If the issue presets, then you just need to close tab here. For NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. You just need to go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.